konnichiwa and welcome to my YouTube channel. Let's go learn. Today we are going to learn how to install CodeBlock in your PC. And now let's go and in Google write CodeBlock download. After adding that, we are going to receive this page, and in the second line, we have second website. We are going from the second website. We are going to download the CodeBlocks. The website name is this. You can directly write this also, and from here you can download the file down download the file but I have already downloaded it, that's why I'm not going to download it again. So now let's go and see where let's go and install the CodeBlocks. I'm not going to download this again. Here is the software name CodeBlocks. I'm going to install it. Now let's install it and click yes. Now click next, then agree with all the term and conditions of CodeBlocks. I agree, then click next. You don't have to change anything from here. Now you have to select where you wanted to install the CodeBlocks. I'm going to install it the default place, and now let's install it. We have to wait for a little time to get installed. Now if you guys haven't seen my other video, you can go and see those. In the other video I have talk about the things we are going to learn in CodeBlocks, where we can run C++ in CodeBlocks. There are multiple videos on C and C++. You can go and watch those videos. It will be helpful for the beginning programmer to learn those programs. They are very easy. In the description there will be my videos link. You guys can go and see. Now after that, do you want to run the CodeBlock now? You can click yes or no. I'm going to run the CodeBlocks to show you how it looks. Now I'm going to click yes. Now it is almost finished. We have to click next, and now it is finished installing. We have to click finish. Now the CodeBlock is starting to run. Now we have to wait for a little bit to it run. And this is how look when the CodeBlocks start. This is the interface of the CodeBlock software. Now if you guys like my video, you can subscribe and share the video.